Hello and welcome to our French lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about the things you have in French. This will be useful for describing your possessions and asking about others' belongings. Let's get started. Before we start, subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Let's start with some basic vocabulary. Repeat after the French speaker. To have.
Avoir. Avoir.
To possess.
Posséder. Posséder.
Belongings.
Les affaires. Les affaires.
Goods.
Les biens. Les biens.
Objects.
Les objets. Les objets.
Things.
Les choses. Les choses.
Equipment.
Le matériel. Le matériel.
Accessories.
Les accessoires. Les accessoires.
An object.
Un objet. Un objet.
A possession.
Un bien. Un bien.
A thing.
Un truc. Un truc.
A thing.
Une chose. Une chose.
Now let's practice some sentences to describe the things you have. Repeat after the French speaker. I have a computer.
J'ai un ordinateur. J'ai un ordinateur.
I possess a car.
Je possède une voiture. Je possède une voiture.
I have a lot of belongings.
J'ai beaucoup d'affaires. J'ai beaucoup d'affaires.
I have some valuable objects.
J'ai quelques objets de valeur. J'ai quelques objets de valeur.
I have sports equipment.
J'ai un équipement de sport. J'ai un équipement de sport.
I have fashion accessories.
J'ai des accessoires de mode. J'ai des accessoires de mode.
You can also ask questions about what others have by using these sentences.
Est-ce que tu as un téléphone portable?
Do you have a cell phone?
Possèdes-tu une guitare?
Do you possess a guitar?
As-tu beaucoup de choses chez toi?
Do you have a lot of things at home? Now let's practice some more. I will say a sentence in English, and you will translate it into French. I have a cat.
J'ai un chat. J'ai un chat.
Do you have a bike?
As-tu un vélo? As-tu un vélo?
She has a new job.
Elle a un nouveau travail. Elle a un nouveau travail.
We have a big house.
Nous avons une grande maison. Nous avons une grande maison.
They have a lot of money.
Ils ont beaucoup d'argent. Ils ont beaucoup d'argent.
Great job. Now let's practice forming some sentences on our own. Using the vocabulary we've learned, describe some things you have. For example, I have a beautiful red dress.
J'ai une belle robe rouge.
Now it's your turn. Say a few sentences describing the things you have. Remember to use the vocabulary we learned. That's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to talk about the things you need. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more French lessons. See you then.